Hello YouTube, Josh here back again for a Firework Stash video for 2013, and this is the biggest stash I've ever had. So this is a nice overview of my stash. What you can see, I got some stuff up on the shelves there. Some more shit down there. I don't know if you can see, but I have Pro Shells, Lock and Load, Excalibur, and 2 Exterminator boxes. You guys let me know if you want me to do a comparison video. Alright? And all the way at the bottom, I have 3 Wishes. A really nice cake. Tough stuff. Super Stunt. And then this Tears of Heaven. I have Chain Reaction, American Trucker, Caution, sets off car alarms. Not as good as what they say. At least it doesn't look that good. Over here I have Rainmaker. Down at the very bottom I have Stronger. Then here I got Sharpshooter, Massive Crackle, and then Massive Strobe White. And I have a 18 shot mortar rack. I don't know if you can see it, but 18 shot mortar rack from Pyro Blue with a 396 shot Roman candle. So you guys let me know if you want me to do a comparison video with all the little platoons I have. For the smaller stuff, I have 3 boxes. This is got some quick fuse. I have about 20 buzz killers. These things. They're actually really loud. Underneath that I got some bottle rockets, a bunch of firecrackers, rolling candles. Oh yeah, here. I have a couple of M80s actually too. Actually I have a few. I have 3 of these. Then I got jumping jacks, fountains, like little gay fountains, sparklers. That's for that small one. Downward angle of it. Oh yeah, I have the snappers too, the canister snaps, the blue box right there. They're just as loud as a firecracker. A lot cheaper. We have this box. I have mines. They're called, hold on a second. They're called Surprise. These right here. Surprise. I got 5 boxes of these. They're mine. It does different effects. I think 2 of them actually shoot up and blow up. The rest make a really loud crackle noise. Underneath these, I have what you call zips. A whole case of zips. Whole box full of zips. They spin really fast on the ground. They shoot up, making like a zzz sound. That's what you want to call it. And then I got Black Hat firecrackers. And for my last small box, which I actually went up to New Hampshire today to get this because it looked cool. the lady that I got them from said that these ones were older and they are overloaded. Basically, they're smaller but they're heavier than the newer air bombs. These are air bombs from the 1990s, supposedly, she said. But I got 6 packs of these. It just shoots up and it makes a like a silver salute noise, like a nice. It's a nice bang though. It's not like a little pop. And then I got a whole bunch of little just tubes to mess around with firecrackers and some other stuff. Other than that, that's it. That's my stash. So I'll let you guys know if you want to see any of the comparison videos on my reloadable mortars. If you do, like this video, comment it, do whatever you gotta do. Alright? Thank you.